Yeah, about to go film. We got a guest today. It's gonna help me do some calisthenic videos. Yeah, like more push-ups, jumping jacks, stuff like that. So I think he's here. I gotta call you back.
What's up everyone, it's Kyler James. I'm going to give you all a very basic rundown on hand balancing. So hand balancing is a very important element to gaining access to other moves. So you can imagine if you can use your upper body, your arms, as another pair of legs, then you've got twice as many movements available. So very important, don't underestimate the importance of hand balancing. So the way we can begin is against the wall. So drill I run a lot of my students through is wall walk-ups. So got this little mat here, it's no problem. I'm just gonna walk up. I'm gonna walk my feet to right about here, and now I'm gonna start building strength. So I'm gonna push my weight into one arm, elevate, so I'm pushing through the floor, and then I switch arms. So I'm doing a little kind of micro shrug with every step. All right? From here, we're not even gonna worry about holding. All we're doing is the wall walk up. Building the strength to move in and out of the handstand. Another real basic drill, common mistake, is planching in the handstand. It's not really a mistake, there's a time and a place for it, but making that adjustment to perfect your handstand is gonna make it look really nice. So, a lot of people let their chest fall through in the handstand. The way we correct that is by building the strength, building flexion strength. So a drill I use, I get people into a planche lean, bring the shoulders over the wrist, and then we're making that adjustment like we would in a handstand. Pushing the shoulders back up, coming back through into the planche lean. Pushing the shoulders up. All right, we advance that over here to the wall. Walk ourselves up, chest to wall. From here, we're not gonna let the back around. We're just gonna let the chest, the shoulders fall over the hands like they would in a handstand. There, gonna correct it. Back to the wall. So again, shoulders come forward, correction. Okay? Do a set of 5 to 8 reps of that. 3 sets, 5 to 8 reps. So there's a time and a place for the banana back handstand. Say you're balancing on something narrow or precarious. You want to be able to balance more. So I teach my students to find the banana back before they find the straight line handstand. So if you watch me do this, you'll see if I'm here, there's a lot more room for error. I can catch myself, I can wiggle around, make big adjustments with my shoulders. Once I find the straight line, I'm really a lot more limited to just moving my fingers, making micro adjustments with my hands. So, I highly recommend, or I would say, learning the banana back is not a bad way to go. So the perfect straight line is something that we can build to after we have that foundation. If you want to get the straight line, imagine what the hollow body looks like. Shoulders are up, punched up, pushed forward, so you're locking yourself in. We make the posterior tilt with the pelvis, and this is essentially the line in the handstand. Now when you're upside down, or when you're on your feet, you can feel what your hips are doing. When you're upside down, you can't quite feel it quite as clearly. So just imagine squeezing the low abs. That's gonna pull your pelvis into the posterior tilt and make your handstand look really pretty. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. You're gonna feel this bracing. It's almost like in your shoulders, you'll get locked if you get the elevation and the protraction. So I'm gonna lock it in. From here, I'm balancing through my fingers. I'm kind of leaning over my hands, but since I'm locked in, I'm not going anywhere. All right. So that's a real basic rundown of hand balancing. Places you can take it: hollow back, flag handstand, single arm handstand, all types of other hand balancing maneuvers. But yeah, spend lots of time on your hands. I don't go a single day without going into a handstand at least once. So yeah, practice every day, at least 15 minutes a day, and you'll get your handstand soon. So this is Kyler James. You can check me out at Kyler James Movement. Check out my gym, Move Training Calisthenics, located here in Clearwater, Florida. I'm with my boys here at Criticalbench, and they're awesome, so give them a follow. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Hit me up on the DMs if you have any questions. Peace.